Hey guys, guess what? I have more clothes. If this is your first time here, I am Jen and I'm a shopaholic. I didn't used to be this way, but then Stitch Fix happened and then all the other boxes happened and now I shop on my own quite a bit and I have a problem. So, if you are interested in watching me shop way too much, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I greatly appreciate it. Today's video is a new shopping haul for me. I had a viewer comment about Bad Habit Boutique wanting to know if I had tried any of their boxes, and coincidentally, after that, there was a couple people, Southern Yankee and one other person, that had mentioned Bad Habit Boutique or done an unboxing of their fall box. And so instead of buying their box, I just did some shopping online so that I could just get the pieces I was interested in. And I also was picking out some of the most affordable pieces that they had. So let's go into what I've gotten. Start with vests. So I got two vests. The first one here is a purple fleece line vest. The fur on it, or faux fur, or whatever you call it, super soft, super soft, and it cinches here at the waist. And I've never been a vest wearer, but I am dabbling a little bit in vests, and so this was a try. Now, Bad Habit Boutique does not have extra small, they just have small, so I've been very selective with what I get, thinking maybe if something's a little bit too big, it might still work for me. So some of these things worked, some of them didn't work, but I will show you guys what it all looks like when I get it on. But anyways, I just thought this was a cute vest. It's super affordable. And here is another vest that just has the fur here right at the lapel, but I just thought the checkered pattern was really cool, and it's got a tie on it. I just tied it here in the back, but you could tie it around the front if you wanted, and I thought that was another very cute vest. Then we have a couple of pairs of leggings. So the first off of leggings I got were black moto leggings. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you've got the seams up here. I've been kind of interested in the moto leggings recently, so that's why I got these. It does have 5 pockets on it, and I just think they look cute. The only thing is they do look a bit long, so we'll see once I get that on. And then we have another pair of leggings. Again, this is more of a burgundy, but still kind of purplish. And the front pockets are fake, but the back pockets are real. And it does have a button front on it. And I think this is actually potentially a dress pant I could wear to work. I don't know. I don't wear leggings to work, so most likely not, because they do feel rather stretchy, but a good color pant to have. And then I got a green cardigan, and this was like the boyfriend cardigan, and it's kind of it's not a heavy cardigan, but it's not super lightweight, so I guess maybe I'd call it midweight. And just a simple drape front here, no buttons. It does have pockets on it, and green is my favorite color, so I decided to get something green, whereas almost everything else I've been getting recently is apparently purple. I'm not quite sure what's happening there, but I don't know. Which brings me to purple! So this was the boyfriend tee, super soft. I think this is 100% rayon, so I have to just be careful with it shrinking in the wash or the material kind of deteriorating, I think. This brand is Tresix, and I know I've seen that brand in Nadine West, but their stuff is always soft as well. But this was super cheap, so I'm really happy with this. It's just a V-neck and a pocket here in the front. And I am headed to Disney tomorrow, and we're doing 2 days Disney, 1 day Universal. but I am looking for very just casual clothes to wear at the park. It's not a fashion show for me, so I'm all about the casual and the comfort, so I think this is going with me. All right, let me show you what this all looks like on. First up, we have the black Moto jeggings on, which can't really see the Moto from here, but they are a great length, so I'm excited about that. Only thing is, I do wish it was a slightly more snug in the waistband, but there's no gapping or anything. I don't know, for some reason I kind of just wish it was tighter. I don't know. And it has pockets in it, front and back pockets, so really happy with these leggings. And then we have the vest. The vest, I wasn't sure how it would fit, and I will say it does seem a little bit big. I can kind of fold over the two pieces here and have probably like 3 inches of overlap here. And then even when I try kind of cinching it in, it just seems to gap out in other areas when I do that. Alright, I've got it zipped up, and then I will tie it up here, and again you guys can see it just seems like it's got a bit of extra material on it, kind of flaps out a little bit here. So this is one that the small ended up just being a little bit too big for me. I do wish they had an extra small, though I think a lot of their things kind of run small, so the size small works for me, but this is one that I feel like it looks a little bit big. I do like it that it has the fur in the hood, well, faux fur, and in here I think that's a great detail, and it feels cozy and warm. So let's get on the next outfit. Okay, next up we have the burgundy leggings, and I think these fit really well. They've got a button closure and zip front, but they're snug like a legging. Again, a great length on me, so I've been really happy with the lengths on these pants. Then we have this vest. I really love this vest. It's a different thing than I would normally get, but I love the material. This is like a, almost like a knit blankety material, I would say. And then I like the look of the faux fur. It's just kind of here on the trim. It's not all the way through, but I think that's really cute. I just have it tied here in the back to kind of give it more definition. And I love it. I think it is a great vest. So let's try on the last cardigan. Okay, next up we have the green boyfriend cardigan. I feel like it is a, ooh, somebody just found some Starburst in their pocket. Listen, it's a good day when you find some Starburst in your pocket. Okay, that was random, but I'm happy with it. Okay, so we have this boyfriend cardigan in green, just because I love green and I just need more of it, and I'm trying not to get too many of the burgundy maroon and mustard color and olive color because I like a variety of color in my wardrobe. So anyways, that's why I went with this green, though I am kind of interested in getting more of these in different colors. So you guys tell me what you think of this. The last item here is this t-shirt here, and it's super soft and comfortable. It's rayon, so I have washed it, but I did not put it in the dryer because I don't want it to shrink or kind of ruin the softness of it. I don't know if washing rayon ruins the softness of it or not, but that's what I did. Anyways, I did wear this to Disney, so that tells you the level of comfort, because I like to be comfortable when I theme park it, and I just think it's just a cute t-shirt, and I really like it. What do you guys think of it? Okay, there we go. That's it. Now let's recap. Okay guys, just to do a quick recap, and I realized I didn't call out any brands of these as I went through them, so I will put that all in the description, but I'll give you my quick feelings on everything. All right, t-shirt. Love this t-shirt. This is kind of a navy. It's a brand I've seen in Nadine West, which always provides such soft, comfortable clothing, so really like the t-shirt. The Moto leggings, they fit well. I kind of wish that the waistband was a little tighter, and the material really isn't the world's best feeling material, so I might actually re-gift these to my sister, that I think she'd really like these. We'll see. Then the green cardigan, I love the color, I love green, and fits really well. So this cardigan makes me really happy. I've already worn it a couple of times. The burgundy vest is just a little bit big for me, so again, I might re-gift to my sister because I think it'll fit her a little bit better than it fit me. This vest here, I really love. It's comfortable, it's warming. I've never been a vest person, but I'm starting to get into it, so I'm really excited about this. And these leggings, it's a great color. I've never really been a fan of leggings, but I'm starting to appreciate them a little bit. So, and I like the color, so this will be a great piece to wear this fall and winter with maybe some tunic length sweaters or whatever. I think I really like these. So far I'm having a great experience with Bad Habit Boutique. My only issue is since I have the app, I get on there a lot and I want to buy a lot of things and it's a little bit addicting, so I buy too many things. So that's my problem. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.